Hi, in this video I will show you how to use facial recognition to secure your Samsung Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, or S20 Ultra. Facial recognition feature allows you to unlock your phone using your face. If you want to set it up as an unlock method, swipe down from the top of the screen and go to Settings. Scroll down and tap Biometrics and Security. Tap Face Recognition. Tap Continue. Select a screen lock method. In this example, I will choose PIN. Enter a PIN and then tap Continue. The PIN must be between 4 and 16 digits. Re-enter your PIN and then tap OK. Select if you wear glasses and then tap Continue. If you wear glasses most of the time, put them on so that you will be more easily recognized when you use facial recognition to unlock the phone. You will be asked to remove your glasses partway through registration so the phone can tell what your face looks like without glasses. Now hold the phone in front of you and wait for it to fully register your face. After that, tap Done. Now select your face unlock preferences. To unlock the phone, hold it in front of your face and press the lock key. When the unlock icon is displayed, swipe the screen upwards. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to hit the like button. I would really appreciate it.